Hello and welcome nursery class. Here is teacher Faiza with the maths class. First of all, I wish all of the nursery a very happy New Year nursery class, and I pray Allah that this year proves to be a better year nursery class in respect of education, in respect of our economy. Okay nursery class, do pray for the Pakistan nursery class that Allah do the best in the year. So nursery class, come to the study nursery. As we all know that first of all we do the book work, then after that we do the class work. So these are too much cold in nursery class. Do keep yourself warm. Okay nursery class, don't take fizzy drinks in this season nursery. So nursery class, please open page number 7 to 72. You are big enough mashallah, and this book is going to be, and I think now you can open your book number. Put the finger as the teacher has put page number 7 to 72. And as you know that first of all we write the date on the top of the page. Today is the 4th of January dash 1. This is the first month of the year nursery class. You know that na? You know the names of the months. And today we will write here 2/1/21. Alhamdulillah nursery class, new year has been started. And we will write here classwork because we are doing this work in the class. Okay nursery? So nursery class, look at the first picture. What is in the first picture? Wow, balls. You like to play cricket nursery? I like too. So nursery class, first of all count the ball nursery class. 1, 2. How many balls are here nursery class? 2. So write down here nursery class 2. Okay. Now count how many balls are here nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many balls are here nursery class? 4. Write down here 4. Okay nursery class. And you know what is this sign called? This is the sign of plus. What is this sign called? Plus. Again say it with me. Plus. And what is this sign called? Equal to. What is this sign called? Equal to. Plus mean that we count all the balls and we will write here. Okay. Now let's count with the teacher how many total balls are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many balls are here nursery class? 6. So write down here 6. Okay nursery class. 4, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Learn this sign one more time, plus. Now come to the next picture nursery class. What is in the next picture? You have learned this object in English nursery class. This is stack. Tack, tack. Tack, tack. Now count how many tacks are here. 1, 2, 3. How many tacks are here nursery class? 3. So write down here 3. Come to the next picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many tacks are here nursery class? 5. So write down here 5. And what is this sign called? Equal to. Okay nursery class. Now what we have to do? We have to count all the tags and we write down over here. Let's count all the tags nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many tags are here nursery class? 8. Total tags are 8. So write down here 8. Okay, nursery class. Now come to the next picture, nursery class. Oh my god, ice creams. I love ice cream, nursery class. But avoid to eat in this cold weather. Okay, nursery class. Now first count in the first column. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ice lollies are here, nursery class? 4. Okay, nursery class. Now count and write over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again you want to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write down here, nursery class, 7. Okay, nursery class. Now put the sign of equal to. Now we will count how many total ice creams are here. Okay, and we will write here. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 1, 11. How many total ice creams are here, nursery class? 1, 1, 11. Now nursery class, come to the next picture, nursery class. What is this? These are leaves. You can see the leaves on the tree, on the any plant if you have a garden in your home. Okay. Inshallah, in the next day nursery class we will do the leaves activity. Okay. Then you will have a fun with me. So first let's count the leaves, nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many leaves are here, nursery class? 6. So write down in their box. Okay, this is the box of these leaves. Okay, and this is the box of these leaves. Now count how many leaves are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many leaves are here, nursery class? 6. Same. Wow. So let's count, nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12. How many total leaves are here, nursery class? 1, 2, 12. So I will write here 1, 2, 12 over here. Nursery class, lastly, please tell me what is this sign called? Plus. What is this sign called? Plus. So nursery class, what is this? Pencils. So nursery class, first count the pencil of the first column. Put the pencil and count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many pencils are here, nursery class? 9. How many pencils are here, nursery class? 9. Now nursery class, count the pencil of this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many pencils are here, nursery class? 7. How many pencils are here, nursery class? 7. Write down here 7. Okay, nursery class. Now count the total pencils, nursery class. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, and 1, 6, 16. How many total pencils are here, nursery class? 16. 1, 6, 16. Now nursery class, kindly do the color in all the pictures and then come to me. See, nursery class, I have done all the coloring, nursery class. I have told you that we have done the page number 7 to 72 nursery class. Now we will do the next page, and this is the page number 7171. Okay, nursery class. Now which page we are going to do? We are going to do the page number 7171. Again listen, 7171. I will check only those pages which I have done in the video. I'm not going to check the extra pages that you do by your will. Okay, nursery class. Kindly, it's my request, it's my humble request to please follow the teacher work. Don't do extra work. Don't send me the extra pages, okay? Now, nursery class. You have done what comes after nursery class, in the online classes also, in the school also, and I think you are very good in doing that. It's same like this, no, nursery class. Okay, write the missing numbers. Okay, we only have to fill the missing numbers, and kindly fill in a neat and clean writing. Okay, you all simply have to read the counting and then fill the boxes. This is 1 2. What comes after 2, nursery class? Please tell me. 3. What comes after 2? 3. So write down here, neat and clean, 3. Then 4. Nursery class, what comes after 4? It's 5. I did not give you in the holiday homework because I love this page and I want to, and I love to do with this with you. Okay, nursery? Because it's a very good page. Now, they have given us the number 6. So, nursery class, what comes after 6? Quickly think, nursery. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What comes after 6? 7. And what comes after 7, nursery class? 8. Excellent, my nursery. You are very good in maths. And they have already given us 9. So nursery class, quickly tell me what comes after 9. 10. 1, 0, 10. So nursery class, see, we have done the first line. We have filled the first line. Okay, and we have done the first line beautifully. Now come to the next line. What is the first number, nursery class? This is 1, 1, 11. So what comes after 1, 1, 11, nursery class? G. My girls are pretty good. 1, 2, 12. Now boys, you tell me what comes after 1, 2, 12? G. 1, 3, 13. Excellent, boys. What comes after 1, 3, 13? 1, 4, 14. Mama, don't help them. They know better than you. Okay, 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. And what comes here? 1, 6, 16. Write down here, nursery class. 1, 6, 16. So what comes after 1, 6, 16? 1, 7, 17. What comes here, nursery class? 1, 7, 17. Then 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. What comes after 1, 8, 18? G. 1, 9, 19. So what comes after 1, 9, 19? 2, 0, 20. Again 2, 0, 20. So write down here, nursery class, 2, 0, 20. See, the teacher have done the second line. We have completed 2 lines, nursery class. Mashallah ji, very good. Come to the next numbers. So nursery class, they have given us 2 to 22. So nursery class, can you please tell me that what comes before? What comes before 2 to 22 से पहले? What comes before 2 to 22? G. 2, 1, 21. Because it's the 2 family. 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. So what comes here? 2, 3, 23. Again, 2, 3, 23. So what comes after 2, 3, 23? 2, 4, 24. 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. What comes here, nursery class? 2, 5, 25. Very good, my nursery. So, nursery class, they have given us 2, 6, 26. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. G nursery class, what comes after 2, 6, 26? 2, 7, 27. Then 2, 8, 28. 2, 8, 28, nursery class. Okay. Then 2, 9, 29. 2, 9, 29. And we have done the family of 3, 0, 30. 3, 0, 30. 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 13. Sorry, 29. 3, 0, 30. 3, 0, 30. So, nursery class, come to the next line. Oh, 2 boxes are empty, nursery. Don't worry. We will look from here. Okay. So, what comes after 3, 0, 30, nursery class? You know the family of 3, 0, 30 in a nursery. What comes after 3, 0, 30? 3, 1, 31. 3, 1, 31. So it's very simple, nursery class. Write down 3, 1, 31. Please do the work with the teacher. Don't take help from your mama. Now what comes after 3, 1, 31? 3, 2, 32. 3, 2, 32. Write down here, nursery class. 3, 2, 32. Now 3, 3, 33. 3, 3, 33. Again 3, 1, 31. 3, 2, 32. 3, 3, 33. What comes after 3, 3? 3, 4, 34. What comes after 3, 4, 34? 3, 5, 35. Nursery class is too simple if you know the counting, nursery class, okay? So what comes after 3, 5, 35? 3, 6, 36. Okay? 3, 6, 36. So which is the next number, nursery class? 3, 7, 37. 3, 7, 37. What comes after 3, 7, 37? 3, 8, 38. 3, 8, 38. Now what comes after 3, 8, 38? 3, 9, 39. 3, 9, 39. So nursery class, what comes after 3, 9, 39? 4, 0, 40. Again, 4, 0, 40. Got it, nursery? Now, nursery class, come to the last line, nursery. What is the number they have given us? 4, 1, 41. 4, 1, 41. So, what comes after 4, 1, 41, nursery class? 4, 2, 42. 4, 2, 42. So, write down here, nursery class, 4, 2, 42. And what comes after 4, 2, 42? 4, 3, 43. 4, 3, 43. 4, 3, 43. And what comes after 4, 3, 43? 4, 4, 44. 4, 4, 44. Now count with me. 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. 4, 3, 43. 4, 4, 44. 4, 5, 45. And what number comes after 4, 5, 45? 4, 6, 46. 4, 6, 46. And what comes number, and which number comes after 4, 6, 46? 4, 7, 47. 4, 7, 47. 4, 8, 48. And which number comes after 4, 8, 48, nursery class? 4, 9, 49. 4, 9, 49. So write down here 4, 9, 49. And they have given us 5, 0, 50. 5, 0, 50. And we will stop over here, nursery class. Make the happy faces as we do in our class. Okay, nursery class. The teacher have made the happy face. Okay, you also do that. And we have done this page beautifully, nursery class. Now come to the copy work, nursery class. Quickly. Nursery class, welcome to our copy work time, nursery class. As you know that we always revise our previous works in nursery class. So please do read with me. Do revise the spellings. Okay, nursery class. Be active in your class. Don't take help your mama. Do watch the video by yourself. Okay, nursery class. So our first spelling is 0. What is the spelling of 0? Oops, what is the teacher doing? 0. So what is the spelling of 0, nursery class? Z E R O 0. What is the spelling of 0? Z E R O 0. Again, Z E R O 0. What comes after 0, nursery class? 1. So what is the spelling of 1, nursery class? O N E 1. Again, O N E 1. O N E 1. And 2, nursery class. What is the spelling of 2, nursery class? T W O 2. T W O 2. T W O 2. T W O 2. What comes after 2, nursery class? 3. What is the spelling of 3, nursery class? T H R E 3. 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 So nursery class, what comes after 3, nursery? 4. What comes after 3? 4. And what is the spelling of 4? F O U R 4. F O U R 4. F O U R 4. And nursery class, what comes after 4? 5. What is the spelling of 5? F I V E 5. F I V E 5. Again, F I V E 5. And what comes after 5, nursery class? 6. What comes after 5? 6. What is the spelling of 6? S I X. 6. Again, S I X 6. S I X 6. S I X 6. What comes after 6, nursery class? 7. What comes after 6, nursery class? 7. And what is the spelling of 7, nursery class? SEVEN, 7. SEVEN, 7. SEVEN, 7. SEVEN, 7. And nursery class, today is the turn of the spelling of 8. Okay, nursery class, please do send me your voice recording of the spellings. Okay, rather than send me others recording, first send me the recording of your spellings. Okay, what is the spelling of 8, nursery class? EIGHT, again EIGHT, 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 EIGHT. I will here write down one more time a big 8. EIGH. Oops, what happened with my H? No worries. EIGHT, EIGHT. So nursery class, today how many apples we will draw? We will draw 8 apples. 1 apple. And you know how to draw the apples? I simply write 5. Then I make a curve like this. It makes apple. Write 5. Make another curve. Then make a leaf like this, nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Fifth apple. Sixth apple. Seventh apple. Eighth apple, nursery. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many apples are here, nursery class? 8 apples. And today which spelling turn is? Today is the spellings of 8. EIGHT, 8. See, I have raised my H and make it beautiful. EIGHT, 8. EIGHT, 8. EIGHT, 8. I wish and hope that you have learned the spelling of 8 today well. Now open your copies and start doing your classwork. So nursery class, I have opened the classwork copy, nursery class. Today we will write, as you know, we write the today again. Okay. As you know that we always write the date on the top of the page. Write down the date. Today date is 4 dash 1. 1 means today new month is started of the new year, nursery class. And write down the new year 2021. And inshallah this year prove to be the better year than the last one, nursery class. Do prayer that our all the wishes and all the goodness happen in this year. And write down classwork over here, nursery class. Okay. So nursery class, which spelling turn is today? Today the spelling turn is 8. We will write here 8. We will put the sign of equal to. You are well known of this sign, I think. Capital E I G H T 8. EIGHT8. 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 Leave one block, nursery class, and write down here 8 once again. EIGHT8. Again, put the finger in this block and write down in the next column 8. EIGHT8. Leave one block and write down one more time 8. EIGHT8. And fill the full page, nursery class. Okay, and then come to me. Nursery class, see, I have done the full line of the EIGHT8. Where is the lights coming? Okay, nursery class. Now I will draw 8 hairs over here. Okay, draw 5. I have taught you how to draw the apples. You can draw any object that you like. Okay, ball, bat, even a star. Okay, which object you like. But I think apple is easy. That's why I always draw apple. Okay, and you also have to do the beautiful coloring in the apple. Okay, 3 apple, 4 apples, 5 apples, 6 apples, 7 apple, and one more 8 apples. Okay, nursery, done it. Now nursery class, write down one more time. I again repeat, don't write one time in one page. Okay, write down 2 times in one page. Can you see? EIGHT8. EIGHT8. And fill this line also. Okay, nursery class. Now come to the homework. Nursery class, again I want to tell you, do 1 page in the classwork, do 1 page in the classwork and 2 pages in the homework. 1 page in the classwork and 2 pages in the homework. Write down date over here, nursery class. Write down homework H.W. Can you see? And write down the spelling of 8. EIGHT8. And in the middle, you know that we draw the pictures. Okay, write down 8 once again, nursery class. EIGHT8. Okay, nursery class. Now what you have to do, you have to write the counting page 0 to 50, and we have same done in the book work. Okay, it's very simple. Write down the counting page. Now alhamdulillah, we have done the book work and copy work, nursery class. Do send me the classwork, nursery. Do take lots of good care. Again, I want to tell you, please stay in home, stay warm, don't take fizzy during nursery class, take lots of good care of yourself and your mama and papa, nursery class. Okay, God bless you. Allah Hafiz.